Welcome to the Zizzo Easy Adjustment series. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make a simple adjustment to your drivetrain for noisy, slow, or missed shifts. Turn your handlebars so your brake levers point toward the sky. Now flip the bike over, and we'll find the gear that's giving us noise or partial engagement. Noise from the drivetrain or trouble shifting can be caused by improper indexing, which is the alignment of the derailleur to the cassette cogs. Adjusting the derailleur indexing will move it side to side slightly, better aligning the chain with the desired cog. In this example, the chain isn't engaging on the largest cog in the cassette properly, even though the shifter is in the proper gear. Indexing can be adjusted using the barrel adjuster on the back of the derailleur. Turn the barrel adjuster one way a couple turns. Does the noise or slipping get better? If yes, great! If not, turn the barrel adjuster in the opposite direction. Continue turning the adjuster in the direction that improves the problem until the chain properly engages on the cog and the noise level returns to normal. If you've turned it too far, you'll find out in the next step. Now shift through the gears. If you find another gear that's noisy or not engaging properly, repeat the barrel adjustment process.